I can read your mind, and I know your story. I see what you're going through, yeah. It's an uphill climb, and you're feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you, yeah. Don't surrender, 'cause you can win.